Finally, Huawei launched its flagship smartphone Huawei Pure 70 Pro Plus. The body dimensions of this mobile: height 6.4 inches, width 2.96 inches, thickness 8.4 mm, and the weight 220 grams. Front and back glass and silicone eco leather back and aluminium frame with aluminium frame. The display of this device, it comes with LTP OLED 1 billion color screen type and the screen size is 6.8 inches, 89.3% screen to body ratio and the resolution is 1.5K. The refresh rate is 120Hz and 2500 nits peak of brightness and it comes with full glass screen protection. The platform of this device it comes with Harmony OS 4.2 operating system and the chipset is Kirin 9010 7nm and the CPU is octa-core Titan B. The GPU is Malibu 920. The memory of this device it comes with 16 GB of RAM, 512 GB and 1 TB of ROM. No SD card support. The camera of this device it comes with triple camera sensor. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 12.5 megapixel ultra wide and 48 megapixel telephoto with 3.5x optical zoom and it scored 4K 60 fps video. The selfie camera is 13 megapixel. The battery backup of this mobile it comes with 5050 mAh battery and 100 watt wired charging and 80 watt wireless charging. The reverse charging is for 20 watt reverse wireless and 18 watt reverse wired charging. The feature of this device it has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, stereo speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display and IP68 dust and waterproof research. The price of Huawei Pure 70 Pro Plus is $1,100.